Let's face it, it's a great feeling when you receive exceptional service. It's even better when someone takes the time to acknowledge how much they appreciate the effort. Here's a look at one of our favorite 5-star reviews. This is a powerful testament to our dedicated team effort that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first, each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. We're glad you had the chance to come and visit us today. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.